Check in the text below, and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Kim Townsel here. I ordered 4 large plastic storage boxes because I needed one to keep a specific toy for one of my grandsons in. Let me show you what happened about these boxes, why I'm disappointed in them, and let's see what's going to happen to them. Okay. They're not oversized as I was afraid they might be. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm sad to report that one of them is already broken. So they will be going back for a replacement. So the lids are kind of molded like this to make them a little bit stronger. It has a flip on each end. This one's broken. Snapped all the way down like that, so I'm paying $99 for 3. We'll go back. Let's see if I like them first. So it snaps pretty tight, easy to move around. And that one's cracked there as well. So that's that. It's no good. These 3 appear to be in good shape. Let's check these other lids. That one works. I saw some at Walmart today that had rollers on one end. Since this is going to be a toy box for a child, may actually end up just getting that. This one is cracked right here too. So 2 lids don't work. Yeah. I was measuring something to specifically put my grandson's toy garage in so that it wouldn't get smashed, so that it would fit. So the size is great. It's just that we've got 2 cracked lids and 1 cracked bin. The size is exactly what I need, but I don't want to pay $99. I only had 2 operative trays. Even though these came double boxed, only 2 lids and 1 crate were undamaged. This one has a crack here. This one is cracked here. I'll do a little closer inspection. This is cracked here. This has a really bad crack here, just broken. And this one is cracked here with missing pieces. So 3 damaged bottoms and 2 damaged tops. 1 box and 2 lids that are okay. And it was double boxed. So there's no sign of any kind of damage on the box at all, on any of the corners. I think they packaged them this way. They're going back. Kim Townsel again. Thanks for watching my video about the 4 storage boxes. And if you can give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just help each other keep on the lookout for products that are good, bad, and mediocre. Bye.